So take a look at this example. This example says, well, identify the level curves of z equals to, let's take a look at the note. We have 6 minus 3x minus 2y. Okay, very good. Again, from Math 1C elementary calculus, you identify this guy, a plane in the space. When you're trying to identify the level curves, of z equals to 6 minus 3x minus 2y. What are we going to do? We're going to get rid of z values. Why? Because we want to find the level curves in xy plane. So all z values must disappear. We said z equals to a general constant like kc, anything that you like. K is a constant. Again, your goal is to get rid of z. So as long as z is a constant, well, you don't have any z to worry about. Let us start. 6 minus 3x minus 2y is equal to k. Now we are just going back to algebra. From algebra, we're trying to find a nice relation between x and y that we saw before. We're trying to go back to algebra, to pre-calculus, to elementary calculus, and recognize what is this representing. Okay, let's see. First, we have a linear relation between x and y. This is just a linear relation. Let us organize this. Let us bring 6 and 3x and k to one side and isolate y. So let us isolate variable y. Okay, it's not that difficult. Bring 2y to one side and bring k to the other side. We have 6 minus 3x minus k equals to 2y. Okay, what does it give me? Now, if I divide everything by 2, this is what I get. I get 6 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 2 times x minus k divided by 2 equals to y. So take a look at this. What do I see here? I see my y as 3 minus 3 over 2kx, and then we have k minus k divided by 2. Right? Again, k is just a number, numerical value. You can write it in nicer format. Y is equal to negative 3 over 2x slope times x plus a constant plus 3 minus k divided by 2, right? Okay, this is just pure algebra. This is what I know how to deal with. I have the slope of the line, which is negative, and then I have the y-intercept. This is just pure algebra. Y equals to mx plus b. It's easy to analyze the level curves this way. So what do we have? They're saying that it seems like the level curves for this object that we see here are some parallel decreasing lines. So the level curves of z equals to 6 minus 3x minus 2y are some decreasing lines. You can plug in different values for your k and actually visualize these, right? And say that, hey, if k is equal to 0, what I have y equals to negative 3/2 plus 3. If k, for example, is equal to 2, I'm using 2 because it's easier to simplify it this way. My y becomes negative 3/2 x, and here, since I have 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. If k is equal to, for example, negative 2, y becomes negative 3/2 x, then I have 3 plus 1, which is 4, and